Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and cute, a house with hearts.
Yay!
Doesn't that sound amazing? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. So grab your black markers, and let's start drawing together. Alright, let's begin by drawing the roof. Start by drawing a big triangle at the top of your page. Now, let's draw the main part of the house. Underneath the triangle, draw a big rectangle. Next, let's add a door in the center. Draw a smaller rectangle right in the middle of the house. Now for the windows, let's make them extra special. Instead of regular windows, draw 2 heart shapes on each side of the door. Wow, your house is looking adorable already. Let's make our house even cuter by giving it a face. On the roof, draw 2 big eyes and a happy smiley mouth. Doesn't that look so friendly? Now, let's decorate the house with even more love. Draw small heart shapes floating all around the house. You can put them anywhere you like. Amazing work, everyone! Now, it's time to make our artwork pop. Take your black marker and carefully make the outline bold and sharp. This will really make your house stand out. Look at that! It's looking so nice and cute, don't you think?
Yay!
Now comes my favorite part, coloring. Pink color for the floating hearts. Yellow color for the roof.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Red color for one side of the hearts. Orange color for the other side of the hearts. Blue color for the door. Purple color for the house walls.
Yay!
Wow, look how colorful and happy our house looks now. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job today drawing and coloring this cute house with hearts. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. Thank you for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.